Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually get Forza Horizon for free on Xbox or Steam. And trust me, it's not that complicated and it works. Alright, so let's get into it. First off, you're going to need your smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. I'm using my iPhone for this example. The key here is using a special game code to redeem it for free. These kinds of codes are pretty rare, so you gotta act fast if you want to grab one while they're still available. So let's break this down step by step. Start by heading over to this website called twistycoupons.com. Once you're there, you'll see they've got a bunch of coupons, but the one we're looking for is specifically for Forza Horizon. Just find it on the page. When you click on the code, it'll tell you that it needs to be redeemed on the Xbox website or Steam store. Now here's the thing, the code itself isn't directly accessible right away. There's a little redemption process you need to go through, but don't worry, it's super easy. Just tap that button that says Show Coupon Code or something similar. At first, it might look like the code is locked, but that's just part of the process. Now, the next step is where you'll need to download 2 partner apps. But hey, these are legitimate apps from the App Store or Play Store, so it's totally safe. As you can see, when I click on one of these links, it redirects me straight to the App Store. Then, I just grab both apps. It's super simple, and it shouldn't take more than a minute. Once you've got those apps downloaded and installed, head back to the Twisty Coupons website. And guess what? The code is now unlocked, just like magic. From here, you can copy the code and head over to the Xbox website or Steam store to redeem it. After that, you're golden. You've just gotten Forza Horizon for free. So guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back with more tips and tricks. See you next time.